Hello, I'm Betty White and I've lived in Kingsbury all my life. I went to Stenbridge School and then on to Hewish School, and then when I left I went to the factory. The little green factory was there at the start, and I went in there before I left school in the holidays to earn pocket money tying ends, which was the pattern up through the back somebody'd stitched and we had to knot it, pull it through and knot it. When I did leave school, we went to the big factory where Aunt Mill was in charge of it. We all called her Aunt Mill, and her sister, Aunt Beat, she was there, and she taught me how to make gloves. I did topping first, which is neatening the bottoms and then shearing off the excess, and then I went on to making gloves. I've worked there all my life. I've not done any other job. My mum did it also, and I also used to shear work because Mum used to work at home making leather gloves. That was prick seam, and that was for Stoke factory, Southcombs again. And she used to make me shear the edges in the school holidays so she could get a few more pairs made to earn more money because it was piecework. All my friends, or most of my friends, also worked in the factory. Some were doing ironing the gloves and some of us were making. We used to have a good laugh, and on a Friday night when we were going out, we all used to turn up to work in the afternoons with hair rollers in and a scarf wrapped round, so we were like a lot of Hilda Ogdens up there. We also went when Prince Charles came to Stoke. We got a van load, and Alan Stuckey, who was the van driver at the time, took us all up there with our cameras to see Prince Charles, which was very nice. He also used to take us to the doctors for our checkup, which was Dr. Green down in Water Street then. I think it must have been about once a year, I'm not sure, but we all used to have to go out there. Can't think of anything else to say really.
When I wave, you start.
Okay. My mum, Edith Locke, she did work gloving. She did it for Stoke factory, Southcombs, and also some from Aunt Mill. Aunt Mill was very good for it to us and her sisters. When it was Christmas, she used to cook a turkey and do turkey sandwiches and all the bits and pieces, and we all used to get together in the factory. It was lovely. It was like a family really.